What's going on, guys? So got the iPhone 11. Yesterday was release day. I'm just releasing it today. Do a simple unboxing because y'all know what comes in this thing. So I know we ain't gotta go explain. Right there, we got the green, designed by Apple, and then we got the headphones. And we got the charger, same charger. I'm gonna put that down to the side. So we got the mint, like I said, it's green. It only got a front. Listen to that. All right, guys. So if you're coming from an iPhone 10 to a 10 to 11, it's not really a lot other than the camera and the battery that you're gonna really see a difference in. Like especially if you're going from OLED to LED, you're gonna tell that obviously the OLED has a higher and brighter screen. From that perspective, like you just where you pick and choose what's the best phone for you. You got wide angle and then the ultra wide on here, but when you look at it side by side, are you really taking a lot of wide angle? You got the front facing camera, so unless you're doing a lot of Instagram and stuff, then there's no real need to upgrade. But then if you're going to upgrade and you like the OLED screen, then you might as well go for the iPhone Pro. Then get the iPhone 10s or the 10s Max. I didn't see like it was a huge upgrade. Neither do I see from the iPhone 10 to the iPhone 11. I haven't done an iPhone 11 Pro comparison yet, so I don't know. But for the whole most part, if you're looking at cameras perspective, I think the camera is pretty close when it comes to the back cameras. Take a picture right here and just compare. Versus you're comparing the front cameras, of course, there's a huge difference in the front camera. You take the front camera from the iPhone 10, from the 11, and then also you gotta remember you got 12 megapixels and it's a bigger camera angle. Versus with the iPhone 10. I need to stop confusing them. I'm getting confused. But of course, you're gonna get that difference comparison as well. And then also you got portrait mode, and then also in the front camera you got slow motion. And it does keep a lot of grain. It doesn't have a lot of grain, especially in dark climates, and it's getting dark, like I said. So we're gonna be hitting in some nice shot comparisons as well. But the smoothest is, if you, like I said, smartphones nowadays, the speed is really too close to be comparing. And even sometimes I feel like the iPhone 10 still keeps up when it comes to unlocking. And then sometimes I even think the iPhone 11 doesn't even catch up. But still, I did just set up the phone. It's still recognizing my face and learning and adapting. So then that's another thing to keep in mind. So when you do a swipe up, it does show that a huge difference. But in a day-to-day comparison, are you really going to notice that? Probably not. So it's all in a matter of which one is the best for you. iPhone 10 right now is probably going to cost you around $600, $500 since it's 2 years old versus a $700 to $800 phone. Especially if you're coming from an iPhone 10s or 10s Max, it really isn't worth the upgrade. 10R, I don't really have that in hand, but we're going to try to get another comparison between that as well. Alright guys, so I just took a front-facing picture with both of the cameras, but it's nighttime, so we're going to try the nighttime with the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 10s Max. So we got subject Shakir right here, a model and everything. So we're gonna take some pictures of him. We're gonna compare both the wide angle with the regular wide angle on this one and the ultra wide with the wide on this one. While ultra wide, I don't think it's capable of night shots, but we're still gonna compare it just because. So this is the night shot. review those. I mean, just from the looks, you see right here, you got the one on the 10X Max on the left, and then the iPhone 11 on the right. You can obviously tell the iPhone 11 gets a whole lot of light. It's not too much of a difference. It's more or less grain per se, and it does look more crisp, especially we zoom in and look at our model's face. If we can go back to the face. Now, I'm not saying it's a breaker, but that is dope, especially if you can get a tripod. We're gonna try a tripod test next, so stay right there. So if you see right here, I know it's slanted, but you take this picture. You're supposed to hold still, Shakir. Shakir, hold still. 3, 2, 1. Let's review these. So these are pretty good. I like them actually. But it's really not dark here. We got a lot of light around the area. So we're gonna actually check in a little bit, a few more spots that's even darker to see how well this night shot actually works. Because you see right here, I mean, this camera captures pretty good. This is the iPhone 10. It's capturing him real good. We're also gonna check a little bit on the video recording and see how well it does. So we also do some video capturing versus the iPhone 10s Max. Alright y'all, so we're about to get another dark photo. We got our subject right here. It's extra dark. Point at Shakir. I don't know if you can see him, but it's like real dark. We're about to do a comparison. Oh, that's on video. All right, so you see this is our subject. All right, you gotta hold still for 10 seconds, all right? 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna see how that came out. If you see from the camera right here, it don't look like it's good. But dude, if you see that, that's OC. That is OC comparison.
Goodness.
That's an OC comparison between the iPhone 10 and the 10s Max. And remember, this is OLED. So iPhone 11 and iPhone iPhone 11 and iPhone 10. Yo, this is crazy.